Hello, and thanks for joining. Today, I'd like to give you a brief overview of the Worldox 3.1 web add-on product for Worldox. As many know, we have chosen to provide this product at no cost. It is included in your Worldox maintenance, and I would encourage you to download and try it out. It's very useful, and it's becoming more powerful every day. This will also by default allow you to access Worldox through the mobile app, so you can download the iOS app for your iPad or iPhone and have very elegant navigation into Worldox documents. The web product has been around for a while, but this latest version comes with a brand new and completely redesigned back-end web server. So it's much more powerful than the other versions, and we've extended a lot of APIs and continuing to extend them to make it more closer feature set to GX4 as we get versions on. This is the current version in the field. We have 3.2 that's designed, which is the next version, even more features than this, and it is in QA right now. We anticipate early this year for a release. So get right to the little demo here. So again, the navigation is very familiar with what you know and love about Worldox. You can select your favorites from the favorite tree, whether it's favorite matters or favorite document type. You'll notice the file list is very similar to Worldox. You can sort and move around columns. You can add and remove columns that you want to your list. Because we integrate with Microsoft Office with our soft pop-up technology, as you click on a document and go to open, it opens it right in Word and checks the document out as it should. And let's see, I have Word on my other screen here. Let me drag it over. So you see that document is checked out. You can proceed to edit the document and then either save it or save it as another version. If you've made changes and you want to save it as another version, then of course the web agent will pop up, allow you to modify or add comments, and then simply save it as the next version of the document. That document is then checked back in and will allow you to continue to do your work. So quite a few other options in here, but I'll just go through the highlights. You can go and search for documents. So let me just quickly search for something I know that's there, fixed price. And again, it'll display your search, and this is, I believe, everything. So like Worldox, you can choose whether it's the file contents or the doc ID and description, and pretty easy to do that there. Again, if you tag the document description and or comments, you'll get highlighting throughout the search results on those particular words, which makes it really nice. So go back to chosen favorites, for example. You'll know how you can click a heart in Worldox and make it your favorite. So the same thing works here. You can click and unclick that heart there to change the status of it. And go back up the top here, find a document here. Things like the viewer, we use the standard viewers that we use in Worldox, so you're going to have the viewability of all document types here. You can go full screen or leave it panel screen. Favorite matter works very similar, where you can go in and choose your favorites that you've been into recently. And I know I've been in the city of Mesa. Do a quick search in here and it retrieves a list. Bookmarks, same thing. You can save a bookmark either when you do a search. You can save search as a bookmark, and or you can go to a Matter location and save that as a bookmark, and then they're either executed by clicking on them, or as you know, some of the searches you can choose to pull up the advanced search screen to make that a little bit better. Workspaces, again, you can add a workspace, a client name, and then it will show you all the projects within that client name where you can drag and drop files to. So very, very helpful and very close to what you can do in Worldox. Things like adding a category, right click in the category column, you then can create your appropriate categories to the list on the fly. Customizable column again, filtering by the list for, let's say, just emails or just documents or particular items in that list. Direct access, as we always have, to allow you to browse through the cabinet tree as an alternate way. Advanced search will pull up your global templates and allow you to modify and customize your search. And again, this is a complementary product to Worldox GX4. As we move on to Web 3.2 and 3.3 in the coming year, I believe this product will be more usable as a everyday standalone product. Right now, there's some features that have been added to 3.2 that aren't in here that we think will greatly improve the more full-time usability of this product here. So in addition to having a web agent that you can completely access and open and save and work on documents remotely, wouldn't be complete without the ability to manage your emails. So we have created a new Outlook agent, which allows you to file emails very elegantly through the web interface. So you can create your own folders. These folders then can be mapped or linked to any Worldox matter. So as you create copy documents over to these folders here, you can have it move or copy, by the way, just like Worldox. You can go into these folders here. I have this set to copy, which means leave a copy in this folder when I set this up. When the process come around again, it will copy this email. It will then mark it with the green check that it's been saved to Worldox. This will allow all users in your firm, if they have a copy of that, to know that this email has been copied into Worldox, which makes it very helpful. So additionally, you can send an email to someone. Let me go up here and forward this to one of my buddies. If you didn't know Chris, you're my buddy. Then as you send emails, if you have this enabled, just like Worldox, it will pop up and ask you if you want to copy or move the email into a matter. It will remember, of course, where you've sent those people last, and so it can match that up there. So quite a bit more powerful, even than some of the GX4 stuff, in the ability to right-click and actually go through. Nothing in that folder, but go through here, go into Worldox, link it to Worldox, pop up basically a profile card that allows you to map it into something you want here. If we want to display producers, let's go email Ray. Then this Tucson Electric will be mapped. I'm choosing copy. It would then be mapped to a Worldox matter for future copies of that there. And you'll see the document that I just drag over there has been copied into Worldox. So hopefully you enjoyed this presentation. As I mentioned, there's a lot more to come, a lot of actively developed items that are coming out here this year, so stay tuned to our webinars and our newsletters. Again, thanks again and have a great day.